Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Siri and welcome back to another funny video. So in this video, we are going to play Whisper Challenge with my sister here. So I have asked her so much to be in this video today. After so much of argument and everything, she has agreed to be with me on this particular video. So this video is not going to be very informative. It's going to be more on the funnier side, and we have decided to play challenges for today. Number one is Whisper Challenge. Number two is Sentence Building Challenge. And Whisper Challenge is something that you already know, which is the other one will put the AirPods and the other person should for the word and she has to guess. Like if I am saying the word, she has to guess, and the AirPods are going to be in her ears with a lot of music. We don't have those headphones, so adjust with that. Low production, guys. So we have only AirPods, and those are very good AirPods. So they actually play.
Not promotion.
Not promoting. They're actually pretty good. They actually block the external noise. So that's what we are going to do. So she's the one who's gonna put the earphones first in her ears, and I will be the one. Okay, I'm the one who is going to put the earphones in my ears first, and she is the one who is going to say the words out, not loud because we are very near and it's very much possible for me to hear whatever she's saying out. She's just gonna murmur and whisper so that I have to guess. So she has 5 words with her, and I have 5 words with me. And trust me, we don't know the words at all. I don't know what words she has selected, and she doesn't know what words I have selected. So that's what this challenge is all about. You must be wondering that Siri is speaking so much, but her sister is not speaking at all. She is gonna speak, of course, for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna play all my favorite songs. Okay, guys, wait. Let me just play. So, guys, let's start with word number one. Nice song is playing inside my ears.
Okay. This is word number one.
Don't shout, okay? Just whisper.
You are shouting, idiot.
Just whisper.
No, I'll tell them this word, okay?
Say.
Okay.
Say.
The first word is sneeze.
Sneeze. Okay.
No shouting, only whisper.
You don't shout. Wait.
Sneeze.
Yeah. Good.
Hatch sneeze.
Yeah. Good. The second word is understand. Understand.
Don't shout, whisper.
You are shouting, don't shout.
Like this.
Okay. Understand.
Unless
We are even shouting.
unless what?
Forgot. Okay, I got it.
Unless understand.
Yeah. Why are you even shouting? Don't shout. Yeah. Okay. Third one is subscribers. Subscribers. Okay.
My subscribers. Subscribers.
Yes. The fourth one is world. World.
Whisper. What?
World.
World.
Yeah.
What easy words you're saying? Hard, difficult words you say.
The fifth one is traditional. Traditional.
Huh? Very difficult this is. You are mad.
Don't.
Pixel.
Why are you shouting?
Naxal. You're saying like. I'm not
Okay,
able to
okay.
understand. Naxal.
No.
Nutshell.
Don't shout.
Night. I'm not able to get it. Nice chilling. Siri. Shell. Shell. Last word shell. Okay. Night. Night.
I'll give you more 10 seconds. If you don't get it,
Okay, I'm out.
you're done. Yeah.
Dance.
1.
Nutshell.
How many times you'll say it?
I'm hearing like that only. Traditional.
Yeah.
I said all 5 words.
Actually, I
guys.
said her, guys, that I'm
what?
gonna
Why? Don't say anything.
I'm gonna say this words. Like I showed them to her, and she said, "Yeah, okay, I'm gonna." act."
No, guys. She's lying. I
Yes,
don't know
yes.
even one single word. that
This
she
is
said about
unscripted.
this.
Yeah.
It's not. I swear, guys, it's not. Why will I lie to all of you?
The
You know
swearing
me, right?
also is also scripted.
You know me, right? You have to trust me.
So, guys, I'm a bit old school because of which I wrote in my book. I will not say the words to you. The words will be displayed on the screen while I edit. I will do that. Okay, guys. I'm sure she can't. Ma, you see, na?
No.
You are done. Ready?
Wait.
Play full sound. Okay. Which song? Show no. For me, which song? Wow. Okay. So the first word is this. Okay.
Outstand.
Yes. Ah, more.
Outstanding.
Yes.
Am I shouting?
Yes, you are shouting. Okay, she got the first word right. Next. Here is the next word.
Huh? Ceremony.
You are listening, no?
No, mother promise I did not cheat. Promise. Ceremony.
Okay, she got this right. Third one.
Torque. Torture. Torso.
Means what? One.
Taddinan. Chittinadu. Tamil Nadu.
Yes, no, cheating, you are cheating.
Promise, God promise. Mother promise I did not cheat.
Okay. She got 4 right. Next, fifth one.
Huh? Panchabhutam. Bajaj ice cream.
Bajaj ice cream ఉందా?
I don't know.
మరి ఎందుకు చెప్తా? Why is it?
Huh? Last one is
Suseki Agirabamari.
stem. Esteem. Oh, okay. Esteem. Done. Esteem. No, this is only one word. No, how can you even say two words?
It's a very long word.
No. Esteem is one word. I've guessed it.
No,
Then
together one word. It's like a long word.
estimation.
Listen, no?
Bajaj Esteem.
Yes.
What is Bajaj? Are you even mad or what?
Guys, actually, I thought of writing this word which is subscribe, but she has already written that word which is subscribers, because of which I had to cancel that word and give another word. I could see a brand right in front of me which is Bajaj Esteem. That's the reason I gave her Bajaj Esteem.
And guessed in less time. So.
Ah no, who said that? I only guessed it right.
Okay, next.
But yeah, I think she played well because I was not even saying the words to you, right? I was not even shouting to you. Guys, now we are doing the second challenge, which is actually one of my favorites. It is a sentence building challenge where she is going to say out a random sentence. Like, for example, Siri is sitting on a chair. Okay, I have to continue that sentence, and that particular sentence which I continue should suit the previous sentence that she has told. Okay, and that's how it is supposed to be. And it is going to be a lot of fun because yesterday we have played it. You know, she started the story somewhere, and I don't even know where that story has ended. And some weird things come out of it, like some weird sentences come out of it. Basically, you can actually play it with your friends to just improve your sentence framing. I feel it's a very good task, a funny task to do it. So yeah, let's start. So I'm gonna start first, guys. So once upon a time, there lived a king. The king used to be very intelligent, and he had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Rupa. They own a company called Rupa Enterprises.
Out of nowhere, how kings will on enterprises.
Modern king.
Okay.
Maybe in Dubai, I guess. Okay. So Rupa used to be very proud of her father. And the king never wanted her daughter to be proud of any work that has been done by him. But Rupa was very dumb actually. So she doesn't know any work, she doesn't know even a skill. But she used to be proud of her father's work. Her father always wanted his daughter to be independent and not to depend on his wealth. So yeah, one day she went to a garden. She went to where?
Garden.
To do what?
You have to say.
And saw a girl who was sitting under the tree and playing with clay. So what she did is she did not ask for the clay, but she grabbed it off from the girl. The girl from whom she grabbed the clay, the girl did not say anything. She was kind enough to just let the king's daughter and to not even complain about her. But this Rupa thought that it was something edible thing, so she ate that clay. What? And eating that clay immediately made Rupa fall onto the ground. Looking at that, the other girl took care of her. But there was no use. She had to go to hospital. Rupa had to go to hospital for the treatment because she ate clay.
She had to go to hospital.
Yeah. The girl from whom she took clay, she was with Rupa all the time, taking care of her nicely. But her parents were waiting for her from the morning, but she was not returning to home.
Whose parents?
That girl's parents.
Other girls.
Yeah. It was almost night by the time the other girl reached home, as she gave the responsibility of taking care of Rupa to her father because her father arrived to the hospital. She came home at 9 in the night. But this girl's father bet her like anything. Her mother scolded her like anything. But the other girl was quiet because she knows that she has done a right thing. She did not waste her time at all. She took care of a human being because not Rupa, because the other girl is kind to take care of human beings. And she, the other girl, okay, the other girl name is Priya. No, Riya. Riya's parents warned her to not to go outside the next day. And this Riya had some weird habits. Sometimes she used to scream at the house. What? Her parents wondered initially, but eventually, when they got habituated to her habits, and she used to scream, she used to scratch his brother, she used to shout at his parents. But thank God she did not do it with Rupa. Although her parents told her to not to go out of the house, she anyhow went some way to the hospital and went to see Rupa. And now she screamed at Rupa. But now Rupa got shocked looking at Riya because she is the one who took care of her all through the day yesterday. And Rupa has also become one of the kindest girls. And they both started to scream together. I thought of saying that. They both started to scream together and they both have become friends, and that's the end of story. Now I know where this is going. Let's stop it. So guys, let me just tell you the advantages of playing this with your cousin or whatever. Is because see, when I have started the story, I don't know where the story is gonna go. It's not. Chinnu, you can't say it. It's not. No,
No, it's not.
Uh,
Actually, she paid me for this.
so when you play this with your cousin or your sibling, it's like you don't know where the story is going, and you will actually consciously think a lot to frame the right sentence, and that is also one of the ways to improve your sentence formation, because I know many people out there struggle with this problem of forming sentences. So that's what I feel about this game. I think you should definitely give it a try. Now Chinnu will speak about this game, how it can help English learners. Sometimes when we go out, when we speak with others, we don't get sentences immediately. Like there will be a unexpected situation where we have to frame the sentences then and there itself. I think this game is gonna help to those people who are afraid of speaking to others at a random situation. Yeah,
Yeah.
give it a try. Yeah, you should give it a try because you're just building sentences on the spot. It's not scripted. You just build out of it. You just build it out of nowhere. So it's really helpful. And this is the second challenge that we have played. So we would recommend all of you to give it a try. Guys, that's it for the video. We hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. I don't know about you guys, but we had a lot of fun while shooting this one. There were a lot of times where we were continuously laughing, but we truly hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It was just for fun that we have created, and also I mean, these are the simple, easy English games that you can play, because of which we made this video for all of you. So we truly hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So I am the winner, guys. So do you have anything to talk? This is all scripted, guys. And one more disclaimer, that is, this is not at all scripted. Like, we had an idea about what to play, but we don't know how it is going to be. It was all organic. Don't believe her. Yeah, we know the games, but we did not plan it how to how to play it. It was all on spontaneous. So I hope you have enjoyed shooting with me. No. You did not enjoy? She's so dominating, guys. Even if I won, she's saying that she has won. How can I enjoy? Guys, it's the proof is right in front of you. Of course, I'm dominating. Right from my childhood, that's how we are. To be honest,
Yes.
she's the quiet one. I'm the kind-hearted one, and she's she's a very. The quiet one does not mean that they are kind. Okay, please keep that in mind. No. I'm very kind, but look at her voice. You are getting it right now. How cruel she is. You don't know. You only know one side of Siri. Okay. Right from our childhood, I am the one like across as a person who's extremely kind. Of course, I am kind.
No.
I come across a person who's extremely calm and quiet, especially when I'm in front of the camera. But in reality, in my house and everywhere, in my relatives and everywhere, I am the one who shouts and I am the one, the naughty
Who
kid.
spoils all the mood and all the what vibe?
So right from our childhood, although like we are not like we are cousins, but we are of course like real sisters. We do have features as well. I feel a lot of people used to ask us that you guys are real sisters and all. Like, yeah. So right from my childhood, I am the one who's extremely quiet and well disciplined.
No.
So
That
good.
is the opposite of it. I understand.
So she used to be the calmer one, and I'm the choppy naughty one. And that's how I am. You haven't seen you really haven't seen this side of me where I am with my relatives, like my close relatives, and that's it. But other than that, I'm like quiet. She's extremely quiet.
Yes.
Even with relatives, also she's quiet.
Just because I'm kind, no, that's why I'm quiet. I don't want to ruin people's lives by spoiling. Like
That does not mean that if you have like a louder voice that, or if you're not quiet, does not
she
mean that you're
shouts
not.
like anything, you know.
She's the lazy one, also, guys. I'm the active one. She's the lazy one.
No.
She's, you can see the way she sits or the way she
ఇదంతా
talks.
పెట్టుకుని
See, she's the one who's lazy. I'm the one who's active.
No, I'm not lazy. Actually, I'm active. Yeah.
You know, you guys know, I am the active one in the entire family.
No, just for videos, she's active. That's it.
No, in reality,
No, she woke up at 11 o'clock.
because we slept at 3 o'clock.
Even I slept at 3 o'clock, but I woke up at 8 o'clock.
I need 8 hours of sleep no matter what.
That is only called lazy.
It is health conscious.
No, that is lazy. Even if you sleep at daytimes, how it is called health conscious?
I did not sleep at daytimes.
No logic only. She has no mind. Where comes logic?
Okay, this fight keeps going on, so that's it. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, do let me know. If you guys want a part 2 of it, I'll make her shoot again. So you guys
She'll
please,
make me lose again. Because it's all scripted.
so I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, you guys please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.